Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 useful tips on how to use a benzoyl peroxide product, whether it's your standard one or prescription strength one, which I'll show you in a moment, without the irritation, because they are incredibly irritating ingredients, but they're really effective. Now, for me, myself, I still need to use a disinfecting product, benzoyl peroxide, because otherwise my skin breaks out, and it doesn't matter how wonderfully or kindly I treat it or what I use. As I got older, in my late 30s, my skin started to break out more. Hormonal issues, whatever it is. So let me share with you the 3 tips on how to use a product like this without irritation. So first of all, there are the 3 products that I recommend. It's actually 2 products I recommend. Is Acneorg for benzoyl peroxide. It's 2.5% strength and it comes in a huge bottle like this or in a really big tube. Now, if you're in the UK, don't get this because this cost me a fortune in import duties, so don't bother. Just go into town and get yourself a benzoyl peroxide product from the chemist. But the links for this, are, if you're in the US, are in the description bar. The other product is Duac, which is a prescription strength benzoyl peroxide with antibiotic in it as well, and it's highly effective. You can get this online as well if you fill out a prescription. Around about £25 is what this cost me. So step 1, this is the first one, which is contact therapy. So what you're going to do is apply your benzoyl peroxide product to the areas that are affected. Don't spot treat them, the areas that are affected. Then leave it on for 5 minutes, wash your face, that's it. That's your contact treatment. For some people this will work great, particularly those who break out sporadically. So you could do this 2 or 3 times a week as a preventative measure. Work your way up until you're having contact therapy for 30 minutes with the benzoyl peroxide on your skin for 30 minutes, then rinse it off. That's great, that's the first one. I don't do that one, but it's a really good option. The second option is super hydration. Wash your face with your face still wet. I need to show you something. Here we are. With your face still wet, apply a moisturizer, a heavy moisturizer, preferably one with urea in. So Eucerin do really good ones. There's a 10% one here and a 5% one. Bear in mind at 5 and 10% strength, these will exfoliate the skin as well. So apply that to the skin when it is wet. Then apply your benzoyl peroxide or your prescription strength product afterwards. This is what I do, 0 irritation whatsoever, nothing, because these are so emollient that it works beautifully. The urea is an amazing ingredient and it really helps with that wet face. The third option is to blend the product. So you take whatever amount of benzoyl peroxide you need, combined with a heavy moisturizer, preferably with urea in, pop it into the palm of your hand, mix them up and apply them to your skin, avoiding the eye area. If you suffer from puffy eyes or have bags under your eyes like I do, it will puff it up if benzoyl peroxide gets there. So avoid any eye area at all. Those are the 3 easiest ones. So you've got contact therapy, which is short-term use. The next one you've got is the super hydration, wet face, apply your moisturizer, then your benzoyl peroxide, or you've got the combination where you just apply a heavy moisturizer with your benzoyl peroxide. All of these will reduce the irritation process. I use this around about 3 times a week as a preventative measure because my skin is still breaking out, and it works beautifully, and I don't have any dryness or redness that is associated with these kind of products. So there you go, information down there in the description bar, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks so much, bye bye.